What's up, guys? Whether you're an avid gardener, you just wash your car at home, or you maintain your yard, you know how important having a high quality hose is. And I've got a hose today I want to share with you that I think is just incredible. It's from GreenFriendlyHome. It's right here in front of me. This is their 50-foot garden hose. So let's open it up and check it out. So I just got this hose to replace my old hose. My old hose was supposed to be an expanding hose, but unfortunately it was leaking. As you can see here, the fittings are made of plastic, which basically broke down in one season. I ended up throwing the whole thing in the trash. This hose is so much better. It's got brass fittings, high quality fittings that are not going to leak on me. It also comes with this 8-setting spray nozzle. It's got rinse, flat, soaker, cone, jet. It's a really nice nozzle. It's included with your package. It's got a bag here to keep your hose in. It's also got washers, rubber washers, in case your washers fall out. You can just replace them with this whole set. They've got 3 of them in here, which is great. This hose from GreenFriendlyHome is lightweight, it's flexible, it's easy to use, easy to coil up. We use ours all the time in the garden. Here you can see a clip of me watering our plants. This is going to last so much longer than the last one, I'm hoping, and I really think it will, as I can tell by the quality of it. I highly recommend this hose. If you're looking for a hose for your garden or for your home, you cannot go wrong with the GreenFriendlyHome hose with the brass fittings. That's really just going to make a big difference in the overall quality. I highly recommend it.